McHale. I'm an apprentice fabricator at EPS based in Mallow. I got involved in my apprenticeship when I was taking a gap year after my Leaving Cert. My mother suggested doing an apprenticeship, and one of the companies that she suggested was EPS. I think my favourite thing about the apprenticeship is how I'm able to learn something new every day, be it to do with welding or to do with fabrication. I think I'm learning a new skill almost every single day. Yeah, totally. I mean, I think EPS is an absolutely perfectly run company inside and out between the workship and human resources. I would absolutely recommend it to a friend. I think my favourite thing about the apprenticeship is the welding. I had no prior experience to it before I came in, and ever since I started it, it's like an addiction. I can't stop. It's just every day I learn something new about it, and it's very, very fun. I think my favourite thing about working in EPS is just the people in the workshop themselves. I think the camaraderie and the environment, but not only that, I think the learning I can get off every single person as well. Like, I've got a good relationship with everyone, but I can also learn something new off them, so it's a great way. So my day to day would involve fabrication work. At the moment I'm doing a stainless steel platform. Other days it could be general fabrication, could be a lot of welding, be it pipe work or framework or anything that they tell me to do really. So when I'm qualified from EPS, I'll have a level 6 QQI in fabrication. I'll be fully qualified then after 4 years. Well, I first got interested in fabrication because my father is actually a draftsman. So I was always kind of around engineering, but I never actually done it in school. And you'd think with no experience I wouldn't have had any chance kind of in a fabrication workshop, but here I am today and loving every single day. I would say to anyone who wants to do fabrication apprenticeship with EPS that if I can get into it with no experience at all, then you definitely can do it, and it's some of the most fun I've had in a long time. I enjoy every single day of it.
EPS, Rethinking Water.